notice something different in the back of the truck.
What's that?
Once we get over, if I don't respond to you, it's because I can't hear you.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Don't take highways. Don't go highways.
Yeah, I think let's just stay on the street.
Stay local. Go left.
Yeah.
And then go that way a couple lights and then come back.
Yeah, you can go down that way. Like, I would say the only thing to watch out for is there's some pretty bad, like, T streets where people will turn right. It's like a little bit of a shit show. So if you're gonna go for it, just be a little careful. But yeah.
All right. Like twice and like quick as that. How'd it go?
Well, he came up laughing, so.
Because she probably, this power scared the hell out of her, huh? But she was.
You would think it was, yeah.
She was giggling the head. I could see her. She was laughing the whole time. Look at her face. She hasn't stopped laughing.
We had like between this first light and the next light, I think.
She just took off.
She got on it.
Yeah, I heard it.
Oh yeah. And we got to the stoplight, and I was like, I think you just sold this bike.
Yeah. He's like, and I think it's going.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You look comfortable on it.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah.
It didn't look like you were doing the typical
The-
female rider.
That's
bullshit.
true. Oh, this is from the. Yeah.
You recording that?
Yeah.
Oh shit! You really?
Yes, she is.
Plumber booty.
Oh no! Get out of here.
Oh, wow.
I was way too stressed earlier to literally vlog anything. It feels so different than the R3. Like, so different.
Text me when you get home. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Fucking hot. I watched her YouTube.
That's crazy though.
I was like, come on.
He's like, I think I've seen your videos.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Petaluma.
He connected the dots when I finally told him my name, and he's like, Isha, R3. And then when I mentioned, I said Marcus, he saw the cameras come out, and he's like, oh
He
yeah.
said, wait a minute.
He's like, wait a sec.
Hey, you got any spare change?
You don't look like no broke bitch to me.
Actually, he does. No, you're too loud. Get a real exhaust on that thing.
Yay.
You might notice something different in the back of the truck.
What's that? Anyone who doesn't know motorcycles will say it looks exactly the same as my R3.
So really,
It's matte black.
it looks like Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon.
It kind of does.
Fucking come on! Learn how to drive! Learn how to fucking drive!
All he ever does is wheelies.
That's Oakland boys.
Let's take him to the track.
He doesn't want that.
I want to see him at the track.
He's not gonna have fun. He's gonna be like, I thought y'all were fast on the street. What happened?
It's not as, it doesn't feel as heavy as I thought it was gonna feel, like as I was standing it up, which was one of my biggest concerns. Just because it's, I don't know, I feel like with some other bikes I've sat on, like I have to put my whole body into straightening it out.
My ZX6.
Yes. Yes. And the handlebars, they feel good where they're at. The clutch needs to move, the clutch lever.
But you're riding us home.
I am.
From
Oh,
San
we're
Mateo.
unloading it from Greg's.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aw, I wish I brought my 360 mount. Get rollers of Marcus.
His baby ass with here. He's a
Hey. My goodness. This thing is literally something else. I hit a bump, like really hard, and I caught air. Bike was fine. I caught air. I have very quickly learned that I could get yeeted off this thing very easily. I think I'm in love with this. Every minute that I ride it, I'm like, this was the right decision. 100%, this was the right decision. I feel so good about it. Oh, I love this thing.
That's halfway.
One more time, one more time.
No, I'm not.
Do it. Bend your leg and then lift it over. Yeah.
No!
I'm just gonna stand it up. I'm gonna hold it. Ready?
Sean, you got it right?
Yeah, you do got it.
I'm on it! I'm on it! My legs are not touching the floor!
Because I have to. We're holding it.
Your legs don't touch the ground when you're riding, Mom.
Yeah, but then I'll fall off, Vincent.
We're holding it.
Oh, nice.
How's it feel?
Oh my god, it feels powerful.
It is. Now rev
No,
it.
no, no. If it,
Rev it.
Most of
It
you
won't-
should go to the garage.
It's in neutral. Do you love it?
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice.
Mom, it's really fast. I know, but it goes really fast.
Yeah, I was very happy when you were back away. I swear I was. I want to stay and drop a gear.
Yes, I'm just thinking about that. Drop the gear, disappear when you like go into a lower gear.
Especially on something like this.
Go.
Astro! Hi! Hi, Astro!
Nice.
How's the commuting on this?
It's not bad. It's it feels good. Like when my biggest issue with the R3, like when I'm trying to get from the second to last lane into the left lane, and that traffic was going way faster, I was always afraid I like never had enough juice to catch up quickly. But this thing, it's hard to go 65.
We bought it from somewhere, no? Also. I bought one for you, Sam.
You did?
Come, I'll show you what I got.
We're good.
Not to push a bike all the way down.
I just like put the stand there. I put a big
What?
It's like he's gone.
It's so tall now.
This is what it feels like to be able to
like,
see everything.
It's like
I don't know about you, but I don't
actual
care.
adult height.
Or like your tire oil.
Wow, short jokes. Really?
Hey, don't get short with me.
I'm already there.
Alright, that's enough.
So I've been riding this beast around for like about a week now. I've been commuting a little bit, and I did one day just like riding out in the mountains, and holy crap, this thing is like a huge upgrade in power compared to my R3. It is insane. I already know that I'm gonna learn a lot on this motorcycle. Self-control being one of the main things, because I don't have to be full throttle everywhere I freaking go anymore. And like, I can't afford speeding tickets, and I like my life and I like my body, so I want to kind of keep everything intact, you know? But if you're wondering, I am 5'1"-ish on a good day, and I'm like super tiptoey on this bike. I have found like the hardest thing right now is hills, backing into parking spots, and like anywhere with gravel. I'm so freaking nervous about it. But I mean, short girls everywhere, we can totally do it. Like, it just takes a little bit of technique and a little bit of extra practice, and it's totally possible. So I'm not letting the height of this thing deter me from getting really good at riding it. But anyway, I'm like super excited about this. I think that this was the perfect decision. I'm really happy that I went with the Ninja over everything else that I had the option to choose. And I'm so excited. Like, I can't contain it. I'm always just like giggling in my helmet and like so happy when I get off of this thing. So I'm excited to see where this goes. And if you want to follow along on the rest of this journey and see what I end up doing with this, don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe.